What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Celestial Consciousness yoga page. So if you follow my personal page, the other day I was kind of discussing on my story how not only am I personally going through some very deep and transformative changes, but my business and my company is going through some very, very deep changes as well, as I try to serve myself to the highest and best degree, and in return I serve you all as much as I can and in the best degree for you to obtain the tools, the education, and the knowledge for you to become the best and highest versions and healthiest versions of yourselves. Now, Celestial Consciousness Yoga is a mobile holistic health and wellness company because I have personally, in my own life and in my own experiences and just connections that I've made with other people, I truly see the disconnect and the lack that not only do we have as individuals to our mind, body, and soul, but the connection that we have back to the ancient roots of holistic medicine, health and wellness, and really tapping and tuning into ourselves and our spirituality versus always looking for external things to heal us and to make ourselves feel better and to bring us to this state of higher awareness and better versions of us. And a lot of the times we are not even aware of this because it's not accessible to everyone, whether it is a financial inaccessibility, whether it's a cultural inaccessibility, or a body inaccessibility, a physical inailment, or maybe it is a mental blockage that you have. There are things and ways to work through whatever your own mental barrier is, or whatever you're telling yourself it is that maybe you can't get to this healthiest and highest version of yourself. So topics that we're going to be discussing on this page are super awesome, and we're going to have a lot of help from a lot of my great friends, especially a good friend of mine, Chante. She is going to be taking over the newsletter and sending you updates on my podcasts and all of that good stuff. So if you're not signed up for my newsletter already, go to the link in my bio above in the linked tree. On my website, you can go down to the bottom and subscribe for that, which Chante once again will be taking over. Thanks, Chante. You'rethebomb.com. We're going to be linking up with a lot of different hustlers, entrepreneurs, and really, really talented individuals in their field or in their specific area of study. And as well as myself pulling from my own area of study and kinesiology and the spiritual connection, the spiritual world. We're going to dive deep into yoga and meditation, spirituality. We're going to dive deeper into sacred geometry and how it all connects us. We're going to talk about Ayurveda, which is the ancient sister science to yoga. We're going to talk about auras and anatomy and astrology and chakras and things that you all are interested, bioenergetic fields, Reiki, like things that you all have brought to my attention. We're really going to hone in and focus in on. So as of now, I have it where each month we will be specifically focused on like one topic, and that will really allow for myself to create blogs and have other people put feedback and information out there for you all. And so we can just really play off of one another and create this conscious collective and community to just not only have one another's backs, but to be that support and to not only serve ourselves in the highest and best good, but in return we've filled our cups and we can return the love to other people. So I'm excited to share this journey with you. Stay tuned, sign up for the newsletter. I love you, I see you, I hear you, and until next time, baby, we out.